Let's cut to the chase and face reality. Money often plays a significant role in the attraction a woman feels for a man, especially if he is older. To understand this dynamic, it's necessary to explore the concept of hypergamy. Hypergamy can be understood simply as the fact that women tend to be naturally attracted to men with a higher socioeconomic status when seeking long-term relationships. For example, it's common for a nurse to fall for a doctor, a secretary to be attracted to a lawyer, or a woman in the industry to be interested in her supervisor. This dynamic repeats across various work environments. So, how do you win over a young woman, say between 18 to 25, regardless of your age? Is having a lot of money necessary? The answer lies in the following video, where I'll reveal 7 traits you should have if you want to attract young women. Let's begin. Prepare yourself inside and out. It all starts with preparation. When it comes to attracting young women, the preparation needs to be comprehensive. Internal change involves adjusting your mindset, altering your beliefs, and even redefining your identity. Many men believe their ability to charm diminishes with age, but this is a misconception. It's time to change that belief. In reality, a man's attractiveness can increase over time. This mistaken idea arises from assuming that women are attracted to the same things as men. We often find physical beauty in the face and body appealing, which tends to decrease with time. However, what women find more attractive is masculine status, factors like social success, and self-assurance, which tend to improve with age. Moreover, women often mature emotionally faster than men. Therefore, many young women find older men attractive due to their emotional maturity. They expect an older man to offer a more interesting and enriching relationship. Various studies have shown that the most successful relationships tend to be where the man is older than the woman. External changes involve updating your image to be appealing to young women. Select a wardrobe, hairstyle, and accessories that enhance your appearance without going overboard, avoiding a look that might seem ridiculous. Choose age-appropriate clothing styles that complement your figure and use dark colors to project elegance and mystery. Take care of your appearance, and you'll attract the attention of young women and those of all ages. Look in the right places. Once you're ready to go out and win over the woman who attracts you, it's crucial to identify the right places to find her. There are many places to meet young women, but not all are equally suitable. Women are influenced by their environment, making the choice of location vital. Opting for an inappropriate setting might render your efforts futile. The environment plays a crucial role in the success of an older man trying to charm a younger woman. Although clubs are typically filled with young people, they might not be the best places for an older man. These places are teeming with young individuals, and if you surpass the average age there, you might feel out of place. The key is to find a place where you fit in, making your approach seem natural to the woman you desire to conquer. Surprise her. Your experience and maturity give you an undeniable advantage, and the best thing you can do is use that advantage to surprise her. Stand out by doing things a younger or less experienced man wouldn't do, making her feel unique and experiencing things she never has before. This is simpler than it seems. All you need to do is be creative and original, becoming someone who fulfills desires she didn't even know she had. Don't suffocate her. One of the most common mistakes older men make when dating younger women is trying to treat them as far more mature than they really are. Although young women may mature quickly, it's essential to remember that they are still young and shouldn't be expected to behave much older than their actual age. It's important not to demand too much from them. When dating a younger woman, men may sometimes experience jealousy and insecurities, fearing that she might find someone of her age who might captivate her. However, it's crucial not to get lost in paranoid thoughts. Young women want to have fun, and if you attempt to limit their experiences, you risk ruining your progress and giving them reasons to seek someone less insecure and possessive. Maintain good communication. Some people believe that relationships between individuals of different ages can be complicated due to generational differences in communication styles. However, this is not entirely true. After all, if there are couples that have managed to understand each other despite speaking different languages, two people sharing the same language can establish happy and satisfying relationships. The key lies in maintaining effective communication. Initially, you might need to learn some words or phrases typical of each generation, but the essence of communication lies in understanding their expressions without directly adopting them. It's essential to remain authentic and true to yourself in communication. Maintain control in the relationship. As a man with more experience and maturity, it's your responsibility to maintain a balance in the relationship. It's important to remember that young and attractive women may sometimes feel entitled to test the men they're interested in and seek benefits they haven't earned. This delicate part of the equation, if mishandled, could jeopardize any chance of a relationship with her. Avoid falling into their games or tests. Respond to their questions in a clever and original way, challenging them playfully without risking the future of the relationship. Respect her desires and aspirations. To maintain a successful relationship with a younger woman, it's crucial to respect her goals, dreams, and desires. Ensure that she doesn't feel limited in her personal growth or pursuit of her objectives. Encourage and support her ambitions, even if they differ from yours. Equality and mutual respect are essential in any relationship, regardless of age difference. Be conscious, but not overbearing. The paternal figure plays a crucial role in a woman's love map, particularly in healthy families. The love map is the sum of the characteristics we find attractive in the opposite sex, forming through the impressions we gather from the opposite gender individuals we interact with. As parents are the first adult figures we come into contact with and spend a significant period with, it's common for many men to be attracted to women who share similarities with their mothers, and for women to be drawn to men resembling their fathers. Therefore, it's crucial to be attentive, sensitive, and willing to listen when she wants to share her thoughts and emotions with you, showing affection and providing attention. However, it's essential not to overstep boundaries. If you begin to seem more like a friend, counselor, or confidant than a man in her life, you might lose the romantic attraction. Seducing a younger woman is entirely feasible if you carefully follow these pieces of advice in the right context. Over time, male attractiveness tends to increase, and those who believe it decreases with age simply misunderstand reality. I've shared these 7 highly effective tips for seducing young women, regardless of your age or the age gap between you. If you apply them wisely, you'll notice a significant change in your life. Your desire to seduce a young woman can transform into a beautiful and fun experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.